Hi, my name is Dominika Warmowska, and in this video I will talk about Remote Sensing and Ranging Group that is part of the Institute for High Frequency and Communications Technology in the Bergische Universität Wuppertal in Germany. To give you the outline of this presentation, first I will shortly introduce terahertz waves. Next I will talk about the near-field sensing system that we have developed for sensing breast cancer. And next, I will talk about the ranging system that we have developed for packages inspections. And lastly, I would like to present a bit about the projects that we have right now. Terahertz waves are located in the electromagnetic spectrum in between microwave range and infrared range. That means these waves are on the frequency from 300 gigahertz to 3 terahertz, and the wavelengths are from 100 micrometer to 1 millimeter. Terahertz waves have a lot of unique properties that make them different than microwave or infrared waves. First of these properties is coupling to characteristic energies of various materials. This allows us to characterize different materials. The next interesting property of terahertz wave is the transmission through dielectrics, and thanks to this property we can make imaging through clothes or cardboard or paper. And another interesting property is the strong water absorption of the terahertz waves. And thanks to this property, it's possible to do imaging of human tissue, different organisms, or plants. Thanks to all these interesting properties of terahertz waves, it is possible to use terahertz systems for different applications that were not possible with microwave waves or infrared. What is the motivation for creating a near-field sensing system? We have 2 million breast cancer incidents per year worldwide. In order to save the breast, doctors try to remove just the cancerous tissue. After such a surgery, the removed tissue is analyzed by a histopathologist who defines if the margins are clean or dirty. Images of the clean and dirty margins are presented on the right-hand side. Clean margins usually signify that all of the cancerous tissue have been removed. Dirty ones signify otherwise. In such case, a second surgery is necessary. This is the case for 15 to 20% of the incidents. If we had an imaging device that would allow the doctors to see the cancerous areas before as well as during the surgery, this could be avoided. That's why we need a device for rapid interoperative imaging. The available far-field terahertz characterization systems usually are large, not mobile, with long scanning times and resolution limits. These systems are not suitable for live scanning. In the lower left corner, a scheme of conventional solution with resolution limit is compared to our system that can go beyond the diffraction barrier and achieve super resolution. Our system sensors are based on split ring resonators that, when placed in the proximity of tissue, change their resonance frequency. Then, the material properties can be deducted from the frequency shift. This is presented in the two pictures on the top. The results of the scanning with our near-field system can be seen in the bottom right corner. A photo of a printed fingerprint is compared with an image obtained with our system. Features 1, 2, and 3 are clearly visible. This proves the high resolution that can be obtained with this system. Another system that has been developed in our group is the ranging system. With the imaging radar that we designed, it is possible to perform imaging with high quality. The system operates at frequencies from 210 to 270 GHz. The on-chip slot antenna has a circular polarization which isolates the transmitter and receiver signals. The chip is packaged with a broadband silicon lens. With this system, it is possible to perform non-invasive testing. To present the operation of it, a blister with tablets was imaged. The blister photo is shown in the right top corner. However, for the imaging procedure, the blister was put inside the carton box. Here it is shown next to it. It can be seen that two pills in the blister were missing. Imaging was performed at different distances from the box with the blister. On the left, the images taken from 78 and 79 centimeters are shown. The spots of the missing tablets are visible. In the bottom right corner, a 3D image of the blister is shown. It was reconstructed from the images taken at different distances. You can see that with this system, high-quality imaging at large distances can be performed. Such system can be used for non-destructive testing of packages or different products, but also for autonomous cars or traffic management. Now I would like to talk about the projects that we work on in our group. So the first project is Essence Biomedical, funded by DFG Priority Program. And here we are working on electromagnetic sensors for life sciences. We want to propose a fully integrated silicon-based sensor for medical and biological applications, which is low-cost, handheld, small, and additionally able to work at room temperature. And the objective here is to identify the bioimaging parameters for intraoperative tumor margin identification in tissue samples. The next project is Reinhard Koselleck project, also founded by the DFG. And here we want to propose a real-time visualizing of organic cells. The objective here is to bridge the diffraction barrier in the terahertz instrumentation research with a high-resolution terahertz imaging system capable of visualizing microscopic structures of organic cells in real time. The imaging principle is based on magnetically coupled split ring resonators, which generate an evanescence field with exponential decay. The next projects that I will talk about are part of MARIE. MARIE stands for Mobile Material Characterization and Location, and the first project is focused on electronic transceiver. Here the focus is to enable fully compact, ultra-broadband silicon integrated transceiver components for multicolor imaging and broadband CW spectroscopy. The next MARIE project is a passive imager, and here we focus on enabling a portable, lightweight, room temperature video rate passive imager in a large band from 150 GHz to 1.5 terahertz. The objective is to get a passive imager for locating and characterizing objects in low visibility conditions. So this is all I have prepared for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out the other videos of our institute. Bye!